It's April 23rd, 2014, current time 10:42 GMT. Jay Misley here with the Daily Forex Trading Outlook. Well, we finally got some movement today after several days over the extended Easter break, where the market was really kind of flat. But for the most part, the ranges are still relatively tight, and I can't see it's the kind of movement that the market really had hoped for. The dollar yen did not get the expected dovish comments from Kuroda, BOJ's Kuroda, who really said nothing new. The Aussie dollar fell sharply after CPI came in slightly easier than expected. The euro spiked higher after surprising the upside in the PMIs, and markets and traders who had been trading anticipation of news basically got squeezed for a change. I say change sarcastically. So here we are in a market that is waiting for the next key event, which is Draghi's speech tomorrow. And the market's been trading short the euro, and that's why it was vulnerable to the pop up on the PMI news. As far as Draghi goes, it's a speech to Bank the Netherlands, if I said it right. It's 200 years of central banking and 2 decades to follow, something to that effect. So I'm not sure it's one way he's going to make any kind of policy statements. If he does, it's going to be, I guess, reasonably significant because it'll be intentional, but it's not exactly the venue where you would expect a major policy announcement or any reference to monetary policy. So we'll see what he says tomorrow. If not, there's a risk that the euro bears will be disappointed again. Now, here's something that's really worth taking a look at. This is the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 euro dollar closes. The first 5 were between 138.13 to 40. We had one below 137, 138, and one just slightly above it. So basically, it's been 138 figure to 20. Close above 138.20, you could say might be mildly bullish. We'll see if it reverts back and closes within this range or somewhere close to this range, where we've been stuck for 7 days in a row. Now, as far as charts go, daily chart, as I've been mentioning, we're stuck basically in a 300-point range. It's 139.67, so making 139.70 and 136.70, and we're just trading within it until we break out of this range. We are not going anywhere. The tighter range is probably 137.80 to 138, 139. But you can see here by the 4-hour chart, we took out this trend line. Not totally surprising. Broke out above 138.30, which is now minor support along with yesterday's high at 138.24. But this 138.64 level, which I've been pointing out as the top of the current range, did not trade today, and that remains a key resistance, blocking that 139 level. 1-hour chart showing something similar, 138.64, 138.30. It looks like a lot on the chart, but when you're in tight ranges, these charts get exaggerated, and therefore small moves tend to swing your sentiment. So here we are. We've flows have been going into the yen. No clue if people are waking up to Ukraine or not, but you could see some of the offsets. Sterling backed off its high. Euro has come off its high, but still firm, and the Aussie has yet to recover from that sharp plunge on this API. While dollar yen broke below 102.50, which is very pivotal levels, and it needs to become support to argue for a strong push higher. Although as long as it stays above 102, it'll get support. So here we are today. We'll watch some. It's a light day today, but we'll see some data out of the U.S. New home sales is one of them. But you have to watch stocks because they are the main focus as they try to extend their highs. They're currently, U.S. stocks have come off a little bit, but they've had several days of strong gains. So that's the market right now. It's trading on news. I wrote a very timely article yesterday. It's a response to a question of needing help to trade the news. The link is at the bottom of this right here. If it's embedded in the video, all you have to do is click on it and read it. I think it's very timely, along with another article I wrote about trading in low volatility markets, so you might want to read them. Just click on the link if you want to see them. Anyway, good luck, good trading. 102 figure to 50 in the end is the pivotal area. Eurodollar has to close above 138.20 to at least put it on a suggest some risk going into Draghi's speech if he doesn't say anything tomorrow. But the market's going to probably hang short, hoping that he bails them out tomorrow. So good luck, good trading.